Hello, today we're going to test the vending machine. We will buy the items from the machine and check the setting and show the maintenance for the main components. Now let's welcome Mr. Huang. Select the goods. We already have some samples. Test the sample in the machine. Insert the coins. Okay. The goods has dropped. We will try again with insert the banknotes. The picture of the item can be managed from the back end. Okay. Now we will open the machine to show you how to add the product. Push the lock. Lift a little bit of the tray, then pull it out. When you're ready, lift it a little bit up and push it. If for maintenance, we need to disconnect the cable, then lift the tray a little bit up and pull it out. You can pull it out completely for maintenance. So from the back. These are the motors to push the spiral. We have provided the motors for spare parts. So in case you will need to replace a new motor just to unscrew the loosen the screws, then you can replace a new one. Okay. Connect the cable again. Put it back. 放回去吧。放回去。Okay. After maintenance, we put it back. Cable will need to be reconnected. Okay, we will see the right side. At the top is the touch monitor and the Android control center. So, if any maintenance needed, you can open this part here. Okay, this is the cash recycler. It supports one denomination recycling, and the recycled denomination is the $5. So when you receive the banknotes in 5, it will be kept here for giving changes. For other denomination, no need to give changes, will be here. Okay, you can just get the cash from here. Okay, below is the coin recycler. The tube can be disattached. The coins will be kept in those tubes, and you could put some coins in to give the changes. Okay. In case you will receive more coins than those tubes, set it. The coins will be kept here, and the changed coins will go this hop, and the customer could get the coin here. Okay. Here is the power supply unit. Here is the main power. This is for cooling. This is for glass heating and Android restart. Okay. And for this column, you could use for stocks. And this here we have some spare parts. We will show how to change the spiral. 再来一次，你把这个我看不太清楚。你再来一次。哦，这里是不是？最终它这个扣子。OK。非常熟了。好，放进去，没有消音。Okay. So there is wheels at the bottom of the machine, and there is a stand. When you already finish the installation, you just to make the two stands on the ground, so the wheels will not move again. 顺时下来。Clockwise. Okay. Now we will see the software part. Long press the ID area. You will able to log in. Already, you need to connect your mobile app first. You will get a login password. Okay. So there is refill the goods, check the capacity,
check the motor and set system config cash and coin and card. 你就是打开看一下。So refill is to refill the goods. Capacity. Check the storage. Okay. Motor test to check every motor. You can test one by one or test the whole floor or test the whole machine. System, that's the settings of the machine, Wi-Fi network, and display 有那个广告吗？对。Config, you could choose to the advertisement in buying page, product detail, off mode, operation guide function, and display the price. Then after you, so we switch on the advertisements. You need to restart. We will restart later. Cash and coin. Yeah. Activate cash and coin, and so you can set this according to your requirement. And the card. So after you here we have a provision for IM30 from PAX. Or you could select the communication port to connect the card reader. 都没有了吗？ Okay, so actually the mobile, you could access the software by mobile phone. It has the same function to set the machine. So there is energy management for lighting, screen, and temperature, and check the power consumption, and heating for the glass.